let me show you how we can flip the whole image or just one element in our Affinity Photo projects. So here I am. In this project I got the main image and also a text above that. If you wanna flip the whole thing, head to Document menu at the top and you will see options to flip. Horizontally, take a look, everything flipped, both layers, everything is here is flipped. And also we can do it vertically, like that. Alright, so let me just flip it one more time, so we can go back to the normal. What if you wanna flip only one element? In that case, don't go to the document setup, instead just select the layer that you wanna flip, right click on the element in the artboard and you will see transform options when you can decide to flip horizontally or vertically. And as you can see, now we're flipping only this one element. Again, transform vertically. Now we flipped only that text. Alright, so you can flip the whole document. In that case, go to document, or if you wanna flip only one element, select that element, right click and search for transform panel where you can do the flipping. If you use this very often, I would go to the top and then right click and customize the toolbar. You can drag in those dedicated tools for flipping horizontally or vertically to your toolbar. And done, and I can see them right here at the top. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.